Hello, here I'd like to introduce you about this monitor. This is the 8-inch monitor PRO-M8E. It has a TFT color display screen. This one is non-touch screen operation, and touch screen is for optional. It includes 6 standard parameters, including the electrocardiograph, pulse rate, NIBP, SpO2, respiratory rate, and here is the temperature. We can control this monitor by these buttons here, and it has a knob on the right side of the monitor. Okay, we can turn this knob and choose the setting menu here. If we confirm, we can push the button and it will show the setting menu here. Okay, so on the right side, it is the socket for the ECG, SpO2, NIBP, and temperature here. And it also supports the some optional functions like ETCO2 or IBP. And if we need these two functions, it will have a socket here on this place. And on the other side, there is some socket here. The first one is the power charging, and the second one is for the USB port. And here is for the optional central monitoring system. Okay, so here's the basic introduction of the monitor. Now I'd like to show you some operation of the monitor. So first one, let's see the patient here. We can admit new patients or discharge the current patient here. If we want to admit the new patient, we can input the information here, and we can choose the patient type from adult, pediatric, and neonatal. Then we can input information here. And if we want to discharge the current patient, all the history data will lost if we want to clear the data. So we must make sure if we want to clear all the data of the patient. And the trending here, it's some history data of the patients. Okay, tabular trend, alarm review, and NIBP review. It will show the NIBP data in different time. And we can also export the data by the USB port. And the setting here, we got a color setting for each parameters, and the alarm setting here is about the volume, the flash, or the alarm. Then we can change the screen layout here. It has 7 display layout: standard, big font, oxygen cardiograph, NIBP trend, graphical trend, bed mode, and ECG full lead. If we choose bed mode, we can also monitor the patients, the information of other patients when the monitor is connected to the central monitoring system. Okay, now let's try to change to big font. Okay, and it will change the display screen. And here is the setting of each parameter. For example, here is the SpO2. We can choose the sensitivity, the wave speed, the pulse rate, the wave mode, and the pinch tone. And if we choose ECG, it also has different menu here for different choices. And here is the alarm limit. We can adjust the highest and lowest alarm limit for each parameter. And here is some after-sales service here. For example, the ECG calibration and NIBP calibration and reset. And if we want a demo mode for the monitor, we can enter the password 68. And then we choose OK. Then it will show a demo for the monitor. If we want to quit, then we choose quit demo here. So now let's take a look at the buttons on the right side of the monitor. The first one is used for the blood pressure monitor. It is start and stop button for the blood pressure monitor. And the second one is the mute button. Right now I have muted the monitor to keep it silent. And if I push again, and okay, it is alarming again, so I need to mute it to keep it silent. Okay, so and the next one is the freeze. The freeze button, it is if we push this button, the waveform will freeze so that the doctors can review and analyze the situation of the patient. Okay, and we push again, it will continue to monitor the situation. And the next one is the review button. It is used to show the setting menu here on the bottom on the screen. Now let's take a look at the accessories of the monitor. Okay, the first one is the adult SpO2 sensor, and it also supports the optional children and neonatal SpO2 sensor. And the second one is the temperature probe, and here is the 5-lead ECG cable. And here is the adult NIBP curve. Also the children type is for optional. And here is the charging cable and the charging converter. And here is the stand of the monitor. If we install the stands here like this, it can hang on the transferring bed, so it's very convenient and portable. And here we got the user manual for the monitor. So this is the accessories of the monitor.